In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the features of the SwiftScreen dashboard. Here you can see your dashboard landing page. This is where the results of all your school screenings will be shown in real time. Click on My District to customize the PDFs that go home to parents, as well as access the system to upload an entire school roster at once. To view the schools in your district, click on Schools. You can then click the individual schools to pull up the data for the students that are being screened. Click on Users to view your current list of school administrators and manage permissions for who is able to view what school. Let's go back to the dashboard and make some changes to our schools. As you can see, we currently have one school and 62 students. Let's go ahead and add a roster to the middle school in order to increase the number of students in our district. For more information on uploading student rosters, please visit our video library for a step-by-step tutorial. Once you complete the upload, the students will be visible in the SwiftScreen dashboard as well as the app. Let's go back to the dashboard. You will now see that we have 2 schools and a total of 85 students that are ready to be screened.